32 years is 11,680 days, which is 280,320 hours, which is 16,815,200 minutes, which is just over a billion seconds. When you think about it, that is a lot of time we spend on this earth, and for most of us, that's half of our lifetime. But it's not just about the amount of time we have here, it's about how we spend it. Every word I say, every second you watch of this video, the seconds are vanishing. You won't get them back, and yet it seems meaningless. It's just a second. Why does it matter? Well, let me ask you this. What have you done in the last minute? Did you do something that made you happy? Did you do something that made you feel fulfilled? Did you do something that you'll remember in 10 years? Well, if you're a teenager or in your 20s and 30s, it's clear. You have loads of time left, so why worry? You can do all of that stuff later. But time flies so quickly, and before you know it, you'll be in your 40s, 50s, and beyond. Yet someone who is 68 and could very well die at 70 only has 63 million seconds left to go. Scary, right? I just want to make you aware of the fact that time is precious, and we should cherish every moment of it. You could be in school or at work, and a whole 86,400 seconds could go by in a flash. Yet for the average person who retires at 60, they lose most of their 1.9 billion seconds of life from doing work and regrets it looking back. They would trade all of their money to get more life. The most common deathbed regrets are wishing they didn't work so hard or wishing they dared to do more of the things they loved. Life is tough, and sometimes you get so wrapped up in routine that you forget about the most beautiful thing about life, the fact that we get to live it. Death is waiting for all of us, and it is scary, but it should be more reason to not be afraid to love yourself and express who you are. Experience the world and do things that you really want to do. Tell your family you love them and make real lifelong connections with people, because as the seconds tick by, you will wish you had them. So what are you waiting for? Take a chance, try something new, do something that makes you happy. Life is too short to not make the most of every second we have. I've been Ben, also known as MX. I hope this message has resonated with you. If you enjoyed this video, watch this one next and share it with somebody you love. And as always, have a great day.